Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Mazo is probably one of the most versatile and innovative products to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of functionality and user-friendly design that appeals to a wide range of consumers, from tech enthusiasts to everyday users looking for a reliable and efficient solution to their daily needs, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking quality and performance in their gadgets. Number 5. Bellemain Stainless Steel Meat Pounder Flattener. Transform tougher cuts of meat into juicy, tender, and flavorful steaks. This tool breaks down muscle fibers, resulting in softer, thinner steaks that cook faster and are easier to chew. Avoid dry, overcooked chicken. Use this flattener to even out chicken breasts, allowing them to cook faster and more evenly for a perfect result every time. Its ergonomic rubber handle is non-slip, even when wet. Designed for comfort, it fits perfectly in your palm and prevents wrist strain during use. Crafted from solid iron beneath stainless steel, this mallet is built to last. It offers a substantial weight for effective tenderizing. This kitchen essential resists rusting and is simple to sanitize. For best results and longevity, hand wash only due to the rubber handle. What we like. This tool is designed to make your meat incredibly tender and cook faster. If you often struggle with tough cuts of meat or dry chicken, this is the perfect solution for you. Its comfortable, non-slip handle ensures ease of use and prevents wrist strain, making meal prep a breeze. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that complements any home decor. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to use, even for beginners. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel premium to the touch. Number 4. GREBSTK Beech Wood Mallet. Introducing the GREBSTK Beech Wood Mallet, crafted from solid beech wood for superior hardness and durability. Its expertly balanced design ensures precise control and comfortable handling. This reliable wooden hammer is perfect for striking chisels, installing flooring, assembling furniture, and countless DIY projects. It delivers effective force without being cumbersome. Our beechwood mallet effortlessly creates the ideal crushed ice, the secret to perfectly chilled, undiluted drinks. Elevate any beverage with professional quality crushed ice. Constructed from 100% high-density beech wood, its robust design withstands repeated striking. The durable polished finish resists wear, maintaining its sleek appearance. This premium wood mallet is the perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts, home bartenders, or woodworkers. Its combination of elegant design and versatile functionality makes it a memorable gift. What we like. Experience superior craftsmanship and versatility with this wooden mallet. It's perfect for woodworking tasks like striking chisels and assembling furniture, but also excels at creating the perfect crushed ice for your cocktails. If you appreciate quality tools for both your DIY projects and home bar, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Mazo has a sleek and modern design that would complement any kitchen. Its innovative features, such as the self-cleaning function, make maintenance a breeze. The product's durable construction ensures it will last for years to come. Number 3. Aihomo 304 Stainless Steel Meat Tenderizer Mallet. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this tool offers superior rust resistance and durability. Its seamless, one-piece design ensures a solid structure that's incredibly easy to clean. It features a versatile dual-sided design. Use the textured side to break down tough fibers in steaks and beef, or flip it to the flat side for pounding and flattening meats. Weighing 13.58 ounces, it's perfectly balanced with a non-slip grip for comfortable handling. This allows for effective tenderizing without causing fatigue, even during extended use. Beyond tenderizing steaks, pork chops, and chicken, it's also great for crushing ice, pounding garlic, smashing cucumbers, and cracking nuts. Cleanup is a breeze, and it's completely dishwasher safe. This kitchen essential is designed for convenient storage and comes beautifully packaged with a storage bag. It makes a thoughtful and practical gift for birthdays, housewarmings, or any occasion for loved ones. What we like. Achieve perfectly tenderized meat with this robust stainless steel mallet. Its dual-sided head is designed for both tenderizing tough fibers and flattening meat, making it ideal for steaks, pork chops, and chicken. If you need a durable, easy-to-clean kitchen tool that can handle a variety of tasks, including crushing ice and nuts, this is the one for you. What people say. Love the one-piece construction. It is solid, well-balanced, and a perfect companion in the kitchen. The meat tenderizer is as pictured and described and does the job. I like that it is a one-piece design and is stainless steel. This mallet is one piece. It is heavy and substantial. It works great for tenderizing meat. Stainless steel does not interact with the food and can be cleaned really well. Number 2. 24-ounce rubber mallet hammer for woodworking, flooring, tiling, camping. Introducing our 24-ounce rubber mallet, crafted from quality rubber for a perfect blend of force and durability. Its head is designed to absorb vibrations, ensuring a dependable soft hammer for various tasks. Experience reduced hand fatigue with its balanced, textured, non-slip grip, perfect for extended use. This ergonomic handle makes it comfortable for both outdoor and indoor tasks. Measuring just 13 inches long with a 4.5 by 2.5 inch rubber head, it's ideal for tight spaces. Its compact size allows for easy storage in any toolbox. This versatile tool is perfect for a wide range of applications, including tile work, framing, DIY crafts, woodworking, and flooring installation. Combining a compact size, versatile use, and an ergonomic non-slip grip, this makes an essential tool for any toolbox. It's a great gift for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. What we like. This rubber mallet offers a gentle yet effective solution for various tasks. Its anti-vibrating design and ergonomic handle reduce fatigue, making it ideal for woodworking, flooring, and tiling. If you're looking for a versatile tool that's easy to handle and store, especially for delicate projects or when working in tight spaces, this compact option is a great fit. What people say. This, 1.5 pounds, 24 ounces, good heft but still light. This is meant for heavier use or stubborn items that need to be loosened. There are many different sizes for many different uses. Perfect size and not too heavy to use. No slip handle a plus. Number 1. Beethoven, Piano Sonatas Op. 53 and Op. 57. Experience the genius of Ludwig van Beethoven. This recording features two of his most iconic piano sonatas, Op. 53 and Op. 57. Discover the brilliance of the Waldstein Sonata, Op. 53. Its expansive structure and virtuosic demands showcase Beethoven's innovative spirit. Immerse yourself in the dramatic intensity of the Appassionata Sonata, Op. 57. This powerful work is a testament to Beethoven's profound emotional depth. These sonatas are a cornerstone of the piano repertoire. They offer a profound challenge and immense reward for any performer. Listen to these extraordinary pieces that continue to captivate audiences worldwide. They represent a pinnacle of classical music. What we like. Immerse yourself in the powerful and expressive world of classical piano. These sonatas are renowned for their dramatic contrasts and profound emotional journeys. If you are a connoisseur of intricate piano compositions or seek music that offers both intellectual stimulation and deep feeling, this recording is an essential addition to your collection. What people say. She is a superb talent. I first heard her perform during the Clyburn competition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.